Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel TNB Academy. Welcome to this comprehensive session on evaluating waste management systems through the lens of ISO 37151. Waste management plays a vital role in ensuring the sustainability and livability of modern cities. Improper waste handling can result in severe environmental degradation, health risk, and economic inefficiencies. Fortunately, international frameworks like ISO 37151 offer a structured guidance to assess and improve urban infrastructure, including waste systems. Today, we will explore how ISO 37151 helps cities and organizations evaluate waste management infrastructure through performance indicators and how this leads to better planning, monitoring, and delivery of waste services in smart and sustainable communities. Overview of ISO 37151. ISO 37151 2015 is an international standard that outlines a framework for evaluating the performance of community infrastructure systems. These systems include energy, water, transportation, waste management, communication networks, and more. The goal of ISO 37151 is to guide the development of smart community infrastructures that enhance sustainability, quality of life, and resilience. Importance of waste management in smart communities. A smart community isn't just about digital technology or automation. It is also about how cities handle essential services like waste. Efficient waste management improves public health, conserves natural resources, reduces greenhouse gas emissions, and supports a circular economy. By applying ISO 37151, urban planners and waste authorities can systematically evaluate their waste management infrastructure in terms of performance, sustainability, and citizen satisfaction. It creates a measurable approach to identifying strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities for improvement. Evaluating waste systems with environmental indicators. Reduction of environmental burden. One of the main goals of ISO 37151 is to reduce environmental impacts. For waste systems, this includes minimizing landfill use, reducing illegal dumping, and controlling emissions from waste processing. Performance can be evaluated through quantity of waste generated per capita, percentage of waste recycled or composted, methane and CO2 emissions from landfill sites, volume of hazardous waste properly treated. Biodiversity and ecosystem impact. Waste infrastructure like landfills and incinerators can affect nearby ecosystems. ISO 37151 encourages the evaluation of waste facilities for their ecological footprint, ensuring they do not compromise biodiversity or pollute surrounding environments. Economic and resource efficiency evaluation. Resource efficiency and circular economy. ISO 37151 promotes a circular economy model where waste is not discarded but reused, recycled, or transformed into new resources. This aspect evaluates the rate of material recovery, plastics, metals, organics, energy generated from waste to energy facilities, revenue generated from recycling programs, cost-benefit analysis of recycling versus landfill. Through these indicators, cities can measure how efficiently they utilize waste as a resource rather than a burden. Life cycle cost effectiveness. Waste management systems must be financially sustainable. ISO 37151 recommends assessing operational and maintenance cost per ton of fixed, return on investment, that is ROI from technological upgrades, budget allocation efficiency in waste departments. This helps cities justify investments and choose technologies that offer long-term cost savings. Societal satisfaction and performance. Health, safety, and sanitation. Proper waste handling directly impacts public health. ISO 37151 includes indicators such as number of health complaints related to waste, disease outbreaks from improper disposal, worker safety in collection and treatment operations, cleanliness index of public areas. These indicators help municipalities ensure that waste systems do not compromise human health. Inclusiveness and accessibility. A smart community must provide equitable access to waste services. ISO 37151 suggests evaluating service coverage in low-income and informal settlements, access to recycling bins and collection points, availability of multilingual waste awareness campaigns, accessibility for persons with disabilities. This ensures that waste services are inclusive and people-centric. responsiveness, and citizen engagement. ISO 37151 emphasizes the importance of community participation. In waste management, this could involve citizen satisfaction surveys, campaigns resolved within specific timeframes, public awareness and education programs, mobile apps or hotlines for waste-related issues. A feedback-oriented system enhances transparency and service quality. Integration with technology and smart solutions. ICT integration in waste system. Modern waste systems are increasingly dependent on smart technologies. ISO 37151 supports ICT-enabled solutions such as GPS-tracked waste collection vehicles, IoT-enabled smart bins, real-time data dashboards for waste volume and kinds, AI-based route optimization for waste collection. By evaluating how effectively ICT is embedded in waste infrastructure, cities can enhance performance and responsiveness. Resilience and emergency preparedness. Resilience against disruptions. Waste systems must remain operational during disasters and crises. ISO 37151 evaluates backup plans for waste collection during floods or lockdowns, decentralized storage facilities for emergency waste handling, staff training for emergency response, infrastructure designed to withstand extreme weather resilient systems, reduce service interruptions and environmental risk during emergencies. Sustainability and future readiness. Innovation and future expansion. A high-performing waste system should be future-proof. ISO 37151 encourages adoption of emerging waste-to-energy technologies, scalable designs for population growth, partnerships with private innovation hubs, continuous improvement and pilot projects. Innovation should be embedded in the policy and operations of waste authorities. In conclusion, we can say that ISO 37151 is a vital tool for modern cities to evaluate, monitor, and improve their waste management systems. It allows cities to go beyond operational efficiency and embrace a holistic vision of sustainability, inclusivity, and resilience. By aligning waste systems with ISO 37151, communities can better respond to the growing challenges of urbanization, climate change, and public health. Whether you are a policymaker, urban planner, or environmental engineer, using ISO 37151 offers a roadmap to transform waste from a liability into an opportunity for smarter living. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode of TNB Academy.